Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your bonus love messages for the month of July 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. I don't read reversals, and gender is not specific here, okay? So yeah, let's start your reading and let's see what are the important messages. I have already uploaded your main reading, your bonus love reading, your general reading, your extended reading. You can have a look on that too. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. If you want to let me know anything, so you can let me know in the comment section. I will be glad that I help you out in some manner. If you have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let's start your reading. So let's start your reading. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important messages which are important to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world for the month of July 2021. What are the messages? Wow. Wow. I love it. Okay. Let me see all messages first. What are the messages? Okay. Wow, Aquarius. These are beautiful messages. So you have to have faith in your dreams, okay? You need to hold your vision and have faith in your dreams. Have faith in your dreams and hold your vision. 0220 is the recording reading time. Maybe there are adjustments required, okay? Adjustments are required, but have faith and hold your visions, okay? Have faith in your dreams. There is luck is on your side, new moon in Sagittarius, okay? So the luck is on your side. This is the time to give rather than to take, new moon in Virgo, okay? Then there is you and your loved ones are safe, new moon in Cancer, okay? Surrender to the divine, full moon. You need to surrender yourself to the divine, okay? That's very important message here. And there is meditate and contemplate, new moon in Pisces. Then there is a new start is coming. This is beautiful. Can you see? You need to surrender yourself. Surrender to the divine, because new start is coming for you, Aquarius. So these are the messages from the Moonology deck, and the signs which you may be dealing with are Cancer, Sagittarius, Virgo and Pisces. These can be the signs which you may be dealing with, okay? Cancer, Sagittarius, Virgo and Pisces. So thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add some messages from the animal spirits. What are the messages? What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages? Okay. So yes, bottom of the deck I'm having Peacock Spirit. Let it shine, okay? Let your soul shine, Aquarius. Can you see? This is beautiful. Let your soul shine. That's the message here from the Peacock. Then there is Rabbit Spirit. Now is a lucky time, okay? Luck is on your side. Now is the lucky time. That's the same message. The luck is on your side, okay? Now is the lucky time. Beautiful message. And Spirit, this is the time to collaborate, okay? Time to collaborate here. Then there is Dog Spirit. Be loyal to what you love, okay? Be loyal to what you love. There is Rhino Spirit, overcome any obstacle. You will overcome any obstacle because Rhino Spirit is with you. Then there is Lizard Spirit, dream the world into being. Have faith in your dreams, okay? Have faith in your dreams. Hold your visions. Dream the world into being. Hold your visions, okay? Have faith in your dreams. So that's the message I'm having here. Then there is Fog Spirit, clear out the clutter. So that means you need to let go anything which don't serve your highest good, okay? Clear out your clutter, clear out your energy, clear out your house, okay? Clear out the clutter. So that's beautiful message here. Thank you so much, animal spirits, for giving the messages. Okay, change is coming for you, Aquarius. The change and the completion is happening. So now let's see, karmic completion, completion. See, completion, karmic completion. Maybe you can see a lot of number synchronicities of 555, 1010. That can be a possibility here. So now let's start the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Any other message? Any other message? Lot of messages. Okay. So healing is coming for you, Aquarius. Maybe you can see number synchronicities of 96, 69, 666 or 66, 55. Okay, lot of 9, 999, 919. That can be a possibility here, okay. So maybe you can see a lot of number synchronicities of 444. Environment and preservance is here, okay. So spend some time in environment, okay, and work on your heart chakra, Aquarius. 444 is here. Then there is communication is coming towards you, okay. A lot of communication is coming towards you. There is a happy ending which is going to happen in your life, okay. There is a happy ending which is happening here. There is financial discipline, okay. Financial discipline is here. Then you have there is a lot of adventure which is coming for you, okay. Lot of adventure is coming for you. You have to follow your intuition, okay. Your intuition is guiding you properly, so you have to follow your intuition. Then there is healing and there is love. So love is coming for you, and there is also healing which is coming for you, Aquarius. Forgiveness is required, okay. So forgive anyone who hurt you, or even forgive yourself. So forgiveness is required here. Then there is compassion and there is time out. Have compassion and spend some time out in nature. I told you, rest and rejuvenate your battery, Aquarius. Rest and take care of yourself, okay. Spend some time in nature. Physical activity is required for you, the other Aquarius, okay. The physical activity is required. Take care of your health, Aquarius, okay. Health is important message here. Parenting is required if you have kids, so spend some time with your kids here. Then there is pride. Don't let your pride hold you back, okay. There is pride here. And there is music. Listen to the music. Maybe there is a message for you in the music, and music also helps you out into healing. So these are the messages from the numerology deck, and the numbers which can be important for you are 4, 6 and 9, okay. So 4, 6 and 9 can be an important number for you, Aquarius. So this was the message here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see it just fell out. Nature. Take a walk, let the beauty of nature feed your soul, okay. So that's very important message here. Let me add one message from self-care cards. Please give me one message. Awareness. Practice present moment awareness. Live in the now moment, Aquarius. The meaning you yearn for lives and is the ever now present. So you have to practice present moment awareness. That's the message I'm getting here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from Law of Attraction cards. Thank you for giving the messages. Please give me one message. I am not in competition for well-being. Competition can serve you if it stimulates your desire, but it can be a disadvantage if it hampers your belief in succeeding. In this unlimited universe, there is no need to compete for well-being, for your resources are unlimited. You maybe perceive a shortage, but it would be of your own making. Okay, so that's the law of attraction message which I'm having here. Thank you for giving the message. Now let me add some message from How to Love Yourself affirmations. Okay, you can use this affirmation for self-love. I know and affirm that my body is a friendly place to live. I have respect for my body and I treat it well. I affirm positive things about my body and tell it I love it often. So that's the affirmation you can use for your body. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add some message from the spell casting oracle deck. Transformation is taking place for you, Aquarius, in the month of July. Okay, I already told you this in your main reading. You can have a look on that. What are the messages for Aquarius for the month of July? What are the messages for Aquarius? July 2021. What are the messages? Any other message? Wow. See, I told you transformation is taking place for you, Aquarius. Transformation is taking place for you. Okay, so and then there is compassion. This is the same message. Okay, same message. Have compassion, Aquarius. Okay, have compassion here. That's the message I'm having here for you. Then there is empowerment and beauty. So you are starting to know about yourself, how powerful you are. You are in your energy of divine feminine, the empress energy. So you're becoming more empowered day by day because you have start knowing the beauty of yourself. So that's beautiful, Aquarius. Then there is the clarity is coming for you. Maybe there is a clarity which is coming through your dreams. Focus on your dreams, Aquarius. Maybe there is a message in your dreams and the clarity you need is coming. Okay, there is some clarity which is coming for you. There are a lot of blessings which is coming for you in the month of July. Okay, receive these blessings. Open up to receive the blessings here. If you are grieving on to something here, trust the universe that everything is happening for a reason. Everything is happening according to the divine plan, according to the universe. Keep your strength with you, Aquarius. Okay, so keep your strength with you. Then there is home. So someone wants to create a home, a happy family, happy life with you. Then there is spirit guide. This is very powerful message. There is a spirit guide with you. You are not alone. Okay, so thank you so much, spirit guide. Say this to the spirit guide for supporting you, for protecting you. So there is a spirit guide who is supporting you here, Aquarius. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see. Again, the nature message is coming for you, Aquarius. Spend some time in nature here. Okay, and sorry if you listen any kind of voices in the background. I told you my family is there and the kids are playing. So there is a small baby and she is right now crying. Okay. So let's see. What is the message? What is the message for Aquarius? What is the message here for Aquarius, July? Okay. I told you change is coming for you. The nature is here. Okay. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. There is a guardian angel and there is a spirit guide. Both are there with you, Aquarius. How blessed you are. Thank you for this message. There is a guardian angel, there is a spirit guide with you. Okay, so that's very powerful and very beautiful message here. See the picture from a different perception. Okay, just see the picture from a different perception. Spend some time into nature. Okay, you have to spend some time into nature. There is a choice which is coming here, maybe in the love. Okay, but choice is coming here in your life. You have to make some kind of choice for yourself. There is the peace which is coming for you. The peace is coming. There is love which is also coming, but according to the divine timing. Okay, the divine timing is in play. So the divine timing is coming for your love. When the divine time will come, the love is coming for you. There is expression is required here. Expression is here, and there is definitely change which is coming for you. Okay, so that's the message I'm getting here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add some message from the quantum oracle deck. See, transformation again. Transformation 1212 is the recording reading time is happening for you, Aquarius. Okay, let me see messages. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages? Oh, wow, 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 wow. What are the messages? Any other messages? Any other message? Okay. Now let me adjust my cards first. If you are if you are in this consciousness of lack, you have to get out of this consciousness, Aquarius. Okay, there is lot of things which you are having here inside your heart, in your life, but you are having conscious lack of consciousness. Okay, and because of that you are suffering. Maybe you are having victim mentality and lack of consciousness, and because of that you are suffering. There are two sets of Aquarius who are watching this video. Okay, so get out of this victim mentality and lack of consciousness, because you are blessed. Okay, you are blessed, Aquarius. Your and the other one, they are getting the increase in the present power. Can you see how powerful the other group is? They are very powerful. That's beautiful. So there is someone here who is wearing a mask here. There is behind the mask here who is having some kind of intentions. Then there is the vast universe is here, Aquarius, for you. The universe is here with you. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. The spirits guide is with you. The guardian angel is with you. The vast universe is with you. Okay, you are doing the intuition, you're following your intuition, you are doing the manifestation, but still you are doing the back and forth, back and forth. 1441 is the recording reading time. Don't go back and forth and back and forth. Okay, otherwise you will not you will not able to manifest the things which you are manifesting. Okay, there is deserving and there is honoring path. So there is an honoring path. You will get success, recognition, victory, because you deserve it, Aquarius. You deserve it and you will receive the things, recognition, victory, success. Okay, in the month of July. You want love. The love is coming for you. There is true love and a loving woman. So gender is not specific. Maybe the gender, the boy, the male Aquarius are watching this video, so for them the loving woman is there and the true love is coming for you. Okay, so true love is coming for you. Apply it according to your situation. Okay, there is new supportive connection, milestones. Okay, new supportive connections which are coming for you, and there is happy family, happy life. Again, 10 of cups energy which is coming here. So that's very beautiful energy here. You will achieve some kind of milestone. and you're becoming more, on a higher self. You're getting your higher self, you're turning on your higher self. That's the milestone maybe you will achieve. So this is beautiful message here. Thank you for giving the messages. So let's see what are the messages from your guides. What are the messages for Aquarius, July 2021? Bottom of the deck, I am having choose love over fear, Aquarius. Okay. Then there is accept struggles as your lessons. Okay, you need to struggle, accept struggles as lessons. Possess self-confidence. Okay, possess self-confidence and feel joy in all you do. Okay, feel joy in all you do and possess self-confidence. There is thoughts creates your reality. Okay, thoughts create your reality, and there is journey within. You are having a journey within. Then there is love is your energy. Choose love over fear. Can you see? Love is your energy. Choose love over fear. That's very beautiful message here. And there is forgive yourself, Aquarius. Beautiful message. Forgive yourself. So thank you guys for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the messages from the universe. What are the messages? They choose you. I'm getting this message for you. Okay, let me see. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius? July 2021. What are the message? Okay, so the message is, let me adjust it. Be true to yourself, Aquarius. You need to be true to yourself. You are destined for greatness on the wings of love. Okay, remember, love is your energy. You are destined for greatness of the wings of love. Okay, so that's very beautiful message here from the universe too. Keep it simple. I hurt you. Okay, I heard you, how much they love. If everyone really knew how much they were loved, not only from above but those from in their life, there will be little hearts drawn on everything, from the barrows to skyscrapers. So this is the message I'm getting here. Then there is love does not have to mean near. Okay, honor thyself. You were born with that it quality. Beautiful message. Dwell on what you love. Dwell on what you love. You will find what you seek. Okay, you will find what you seek. And I can say that what you are seeking is seeking you. Okay, so that was the message from the universe. Thank you, universe, for giving the message. Now let me add one message from how to love yourself. You can use this affirmation. Okay, these are too many. I'm not going to take it. Okay, and the message is, I love myself totally in the now. Healing means to make whole and to accept all parts of myself, not just the parts I like, but all of me. Okay, so you can use this affirmation and it will help you out. So this was your bonus love messages for the month of July. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. Okay, take care of yourself and see you soon.